Quick specs lang tayo dito sa ating Galaxy Tab S10 FE. So, as mentioned nga, halos same sila ng specs po. So, sa screen size lang sila nagkaiba. Screen size ni Galaxy Tab S10 FE is meron siyang 10.9. And for the Galaxy S10 FE plus 5G, is meron siyang 13.1. Medyo malaki din yung pinagkaiba nila. So, sa processor na ginamit nila, same sila ginamitan ng Exynos 1580. Naka 4 nanometer. And then, for the battery naman guys, so wala kayong problemahin kung malalobat siya. Meron siyang 8,000 mAh of battery sa ating Galaxy Tab S10 FE. And then, meron din tayo sa ating Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, which is yung battery niya is 10,090 mAh. Na kaya niya mag-last long the whole day without worrying na malalobat yung inyong device. Same charging speed din po sila, 45 watts. And also, same din po sila ng camera, which is 13 megapixel po. Yung ating rear camera, for the front camera naman po is 12 megapixel po. So, ayan guys.
So, ayan, magandang buy yan. Wala na
Yes
sa mga,
po, very fit siya for student.
pero mga AI features dito dalawang to, di ba?
Yes po.
Dahil sinabi mo yung maths over.
Yes.
Yeah, maths
That
over.
one is AI din po siya.
Okay, so these are available for the price of
For the price of 26,990. And meron din tayong 5G na version niya. It's 31,990.
and this one is how much?
39,990.
39,990.
Yes
So
po.
pareho may AI features yung dalawang tablet na ito ni Samsung na alam
Yes.
naman natin na leading brand talaga when it comes to gadgets. Okay, so yun, available sa Home Credit,
Meron tayong
Credit card.
Samsung Finance,
Samsung Finance, yeah?
Home Credit, and credit cards.
Yeah.
All major credit cards. Zero interest tayo up to 24 months.
G-Gives, pwede rin.
Yes, we have G-Gives as well.
G-Gives naman.
Meron tayong G-Gives.
Okay, look for Ralph here at the SM...
City
look for Ralph here at the Samsung Concept Store at SM City.
Tansa.
Say it
Yes
again.
po.